Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Colorado is a state blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, rich history, and diverse landscapes that beckon travelers from all over the world. From towering peaks to tranquil lakes, charming towns to vibrant cities, Colorado offers a cornucopia of experiences for every type of adventurer. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking to unwind in nature's embrace, Colorado has something special in store for you. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 5 places in Colorado that you absolutely must visit to truly appreciate the wonder and majesty of this remarkable state. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future video. 1. Rocky Mountain National Park. Welcome to the breathtaking Rocky Mountain National Park, a true gem in the heart of the Colorado Rockies. This iconic national park spans a vast expanse of over 415 square miles, inviting you to immerse yourself in the wonders of pristine wilderness. For nature enthusiasts, it's nothing short of paradise. The park's diverse terrain caters to a wide range of outdoor activities. You can begin your adventure by embarking on a hiking expedition through lush forests, where the scent of pine fills the air and the sound of rustling leaves provides a soothing backdrop. As you ascend, the landscape transitions to pristine alpine meadows, offering a serene and picturesque setting that's perfect for picnics and relaxation. One of the park's crowning jewels is the awe-inspiring Longs Peak, which stands as the tallest peak in the park. For avid hikers and mountaineers, conquering Longs Peak is a thrilling challenge, while for others, simply gazing upon its majestic presence from afar is a humbling experience. Wildlife enthusiasts will find themselves in their element here, as Rocky Mountain National Park is home to a diverse array of animals. Keep your eyes peeled for glimpses of graceful elk, agile mule deer, and rugged bighorn sheep. Bird watchers will also be treated to sightings of numerous avian species that call this wilderness home. To top off your visit, don't miss the opportunity to embark on a scenic drive along Trail Ridge Road, a high-altitude route that offers jaw-dropping panoramic views of the Rockies. As you wind your way along this picturesque road, you'll be treated to sweeping vistas of rugged mountain peaks, verdant valleys, and perhaps even the sight of playful wildlife along the way. In Rocky Mountain National Park, nature's grandeur and serenity await, making it an essential stop on any Colorado adventure. Whether you seek outdoor exploration, wildlife encounters, or simply a moment of tranquil reflection amidst breathtaking scenery, this park has it all. 2. Garden of the Gods. Heading south to Colorado Springs, we arrive at the Garden of the Gods, a geological wonder of towering red rock formations. This natural wonderland provides the perfect backdrop for hiking, rock climbing, and photography. The park is punctuated with namesake rock formations like the Balanced Rock and Kissing Camels, making it a fantastic destination for both outdoor enthusiasts and casual visitors. Don't miss the Visitor Center, which offers informative exhibits on the park's geology and history. 3. Mesa Verde National Park. Traveling southwest, we delve into the ancient history of Colorado with a visit to Mesa Verde National Park. Home to some of the most well-preserved archaeological sites in the United States, Mesa Verde offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the ancestral Puebloans who inhabited the region over 1,000 years ago. Explore the famous cliff dwellings, where these ancient people constructed their homes within the natural sandstone alcoves. The park's rich history and dramatic landscapes are a must-see for history buffs and anyone curious about ancient civilizations. 4. Telluride, a hidden gem in Colorado's southwestern corner. Telluride is a picturesque mountain town renowned for its stunning beauty and charming atmosphere. Surrounded by towering peaks and nestled in a box canyon, Telluride is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. In the winter, it's a world-class ski destination, while summer brings hiking, mountain biking, and festivals. The town itself boasts historic architecture, cozy cafes, and a vibrant art scene. 5. Denver. Our final stop takes us to the vibrant and cosmopolitan capital of Colorado, Denver. This bustling metropolis offers a blend of cultural attractions, outdoor adventures, and a thriving culinary scene. Visit the Denver Art Museum, explore the historic Larimer Square, or catch a game at Coors Field. If you're a craft beer enthusiast, Denver's microbrewery scene is second to none. For a taste of nature within the city, head to City Park or take a stroll along the scenic Platte River. Colorado's diverse landscapes, rich history, and welcoming communities make it a destination that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to the soaring peaks of Rocky Mountain National Park, the ancient mysteries of Mesa Verde, the natural wonderland of the Garden of the Gods, the charm of Telluride, or the urban allure of Denver, Colorado offers an adventure waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, hit the road, and embark on a journey to discover the top 5 places in Colorado where the beauty of nature and the spirit of adventure converge in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.